In 1988, WEGO Group was founded in Weihai, the most beautiful coastal city in Shandong, China. After more than 30 years, WEGO, the supplier providing overall solutions, has become the forefront in China's medical device industry. Ranked among top in China and won many honors such as the China Industry Award, the China Quality Award Nomination Award, and the Global Performance Excellence Award. WEGO has established 15 national and provincial level innovation platforms including national technology centers, national engineering laboratories, national industrial design centers, academician workstations, postdoctoral workstations, as well as more than 30 R&D centers and joint laboratories around the world. It has won the second prize of National Technological Invention Award and the second prize of National Scientific and Technological Progress Award 4 times. It has owned more than 1,000 patents of more than 700 varieties. The products have covered nearly 10,000 hospitals in more than 100 countries and regions. Among them, the market share of high-end infusion consumables, blood equipment and consumables, medicine packaging materials, and other series of products has reached 70%. WEGO now has 3 major sectors: medical care, finance, and architectural engineering. Nearly 100 subsidiaries and 2 listed companies. Medical Products Industry Group researches, develops, and produces disposable medical infusion consumables, nursing consumables, blood transfusion consumables and equipment, dental implant systems, disinfection and sterilization equipment, etc. Orthopedic Industry Group mainly researches, develops, and produces orthopedic implants such as spine, trauma, and joint. Blood Purification Industry Group is committed to the R&D and production of hemodialysis, hemoperfusion, peritoneal dialysis, and artificial liver products. Blood purification centers and medical rehabilitation centers of it provide a full range of professional medical care rehabilitation services. Kidney Disease Hospital is a modern professional hospital for the treatment of kidney diseases, with the integration of medicine, teaching, scientific research, and talent cultivation. Medical Equipment Industry Group mainly researches, develops, and produces 5G intelligent endoscopic surgical robots, orthopedic surgical robots, magnetic stereotaxis system, digital operating rooms, imaging equipment, and other intelligent medical equipment. Intracardiac Consumables Industry Group mainly researches, develops, and produces implantable and interventional medical devices in the cardiovascular, cerebrovascular, and peripheral vascular fields. Life Basis Group is a supply platform for the whole industry chain of medical detection with the integration of R&D, production, sales, and delivery services. Pharmaceutical Industry Group mainly researches, develops, and produces medicines, nephrology products, endoscopy products, sensory control products, medical equipment, and other products. Medical Commercial Industry Group provides hospitals with comprehensive and professional extended medical services such as centralized distributions and intelligent supply chains. Financial Holding Group is committed to becoming the strategic partner of major financial institutions in medical investment fields. Architectural Engineering Group is committed to the diversified and coordinated development of real estate and construction materials, business services, food and catering, hotel management, cultural tourism, logistics support, and other industries. Innovative and pragmatic.